Welcome back, book buddies! It's Sound Book Sunday. So today we're going to read a Paw Patrol sound book. Ready, steady, rescue! And when we're done, we're going to open up this lollipop to see who we get inside. And this mystery figure. But first, let's read our book. Let's go. Ready, set, rescue! The Paw Patrol keeps Adventure Bay safe and dry every day. Chase is raring to go and ready to help when Ryder gets a call on his pup pad. Now it's all paws on deck at the lookout. Paw Patrol is on a roll. We've got our work cut out for us today, says Ryder. Katie is stranded in her rowboat. Zuma hops in his hovercraft and races to the bay. Chase guides Katie to safety. It's a possum water rescue. More trouble is on the bay, says Ryder. Captain Turbott's boat is stuck. Zuma dives in. He swims down deep to find the trouble and save the day. Ready, set, splash! Then Ryder gets another call from far away in the frozen north. As Skye zooms in, she spots a baby seal floating all alone in the water. Chase is on the case. He pulls the seal to safety. What a day! Who's rough, ready to play? Zuma, Chase, and Skye. Ryder takes all the Paw Patrol pups to the beach. There are pup treats for everyone when the job is done. Oh, wowzers, that was brilliant. Let's push all the buttons again. Zuma, Chase, Skye, the beach, the treats, and the big well done. Oh, wowzers! That was brilliant. So now let's open our figures. So this is our little mystery figure. It is Pop Squad. And last time we got Chase. So hopefully we get someone different. If not, that's okay. We can have two Chases. Let's open. Oh, big rip. Big rip. Oh. Oh, big rip. Oh, there we go. Oh no, that took ages. So let's see who we got inside. Oh, we got stickers. We'll look at them in a wee second. We got Chase again. 2 Chases. 1, 2. Double Chase. Hello, Chase. And then we got more Chase stickers. We'll keep those because I think we have Chase stickers in our scrapbook already. So I can keep them for another day. But look how that, we got 2. How cool. Double Chase. It says number 2 on there. 2 Chase. Twin Chases. Hello. And if we lose one, we've got a backup. How fun. Now let's open our lollipop. Now last time we did get Rocky. Could you imagine if we got another Rocky? How silly would that be? But let's open up and see who we get. Where's the rip? Oh, there we go. Rip, 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 rip. We got some stickers. We got 2 stickers. stickers. Oh, how lucky are we? I don't think you meant to get 2. I think you meant to get 1. So we got 2 stickers. A lollipop. I'll give that to my little boy. I don't think we got Chase. I think we got someone different. We got Marshall. How fun. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, we got cheeky 2 stickers. And we got Marshall and Rocky. How fun. So let's pop our Paw Patrol lollipop stickers in. Now, we've got these ones before, but that's okay. We just like lots and lots and lots of stickers. Let's put Rubble in. There we go. And a Skye. Pop her down here. Now, we've got another Marshall, but that's okay. We'll pop him up here. And his shield. And a Paw Patrol shield. There we go. We're getting lots of stickers now. Thank you very much for joining me again today. If you enjoyed this book, I'll leave a link below where you can get it. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye!